Next is Tawa Metsya Sang. When dams are built or the forest area declared sanctuaries for animals, thousands of people are displaced. जब डैम्स बनाए गए और फॉरेस्ट एरिया को डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि यहाँ पर एनिमल की सेंचुरी है, तो कई सारे लोगों को डिस्प्लेस करना पड़ा, जगह चेंज करनी पड़ी. Whole villages are uprooted and the people are forced to go and build the new homes, start the new life elsewhere. पूरा जो गांव था उसको खोद दिया गया और सभी लोगों को फोर्स किया गया कि वो कहीं और जाकर अपना घर बनाएं और अपनी नई लाइफ शुरू करें. मोस्ट ऑफ दिस पीपल आर पुअर. उसमें से कई लोग बहुत गरीब थे. इन द अर्बन एरिया टू, बस्तीज and which the poor people live are often uprooted. Even urban area में भी जो बस्तीज थी उनको भी उखाड़ दिया था. Some of them are relocated to the areas outside the city. कुछ लोग सिटी के बाहर जाके रहने लगे. Their work as well as their children's schooling is several distribute because of the distance from the outskirts of the city to this location. उनका काम और उनके बच्चों की पढ़ाई भी रुक गई क्योंकि वहाँ से स्कूल की डिस्टेंस बहुत दूर थी. This displacement of people and the communities is a problem that become widespread in our country. People usually come together to fight against this. लोग अक्सर साथ में आते अपना हक पाने के लिए. There are several organizations across the country fighting for the right of the displaced. In this chapter, you will read about the Tawa Matsya Sangh, a federation of the fisher workers cooperatives, an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. Originating in the Mahadev Hills of Chhindwara district, the Tawa follows through the Betul before joining the Narbada in the Hoshangabad. The Tawa dams began to build in 1958 and was completed in 1978. It submerged the large area of forest and agriculture land. The forest dwellers were left with nothing. Some of the displaced people settled around the reservoir and apart from their merged farms found a livelihood in the fishing. They earned very little. Here is a picture of a dam. A dam is built across a river at site where one can collect a lot of water. This forms a reservoir, and as the water collects, it submerges vast area of land. This is because the wall of the dams across the river is high and the water spreads over a large area. This is a photograph of the submerged coast over a large city. This is a photograph caused by the Tehri Dam and Uttarakhand, the old Tehri town and the 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were submerged by these dams. Nearly 1 lakh people were displaced. What issue in the Tawa Matsya Sangh TMS fighting for? Why did the villagers set up this organization? Do you think that the large-scale participation of villagers has contributed to the success of the TMS? Write 2 lines on which why you think so. In 1994, the government gave the right for fishing in the Tawa reservoir to private contractors. This contractor drove the local people away and got the cheap labor from outside. The contractor began to threaten the villagers who did not want to leave. By bringing in hoodlums, the villager stayed united and decided that it was the time to set up an organization and do something to protect their rights. The newly formed Tawa Matsya Singh organized the rallies and the Chakka Jam road blockade, demanding their right to continue the fishing for their livelihood. And respond to their protest, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended that fishing rights be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. In 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government decided to give the people displaced by the Tawa Dam the fishing rights for the reservoir. A 5-year lease agreement was signed 2 months later. On January 2, 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started a new year with the first catch. जनवरी 1997 से 33 विलेजेस में न्यू ईयर तब स्टार्ट होता था जब वो पहला कैच पहली मछली पकड़ते थे. With the TMS taking over, the fish workers were able to increase their earning substantially. This was because they set up the cooperative which would buy the cod from them at the fair price. The cooperative would then arrange to transport and sell this in the market where they would get a good price. They have now begun to earn 3 times more than they earned earlier. फिर वो ज़्यादा अर्न करने लगे. पहले के कंपैरिजन में वो 3 गुना ज़्यादा पैसा कमाने लगे. The TMS has also begun giving the fisher workers loan to repair and buying of new nets. फिर TMS ने उनको लोन देना भी शुरू कर दिया जिससे वो नई नेट्स खरीद सके फिश पकड़ने के लिए. By managing to earn a high wage as well as preserving the fish in the reservoir, the TMS has shown that when people's organization get their rights to livelihood, they can be the good manager. Can you think of an incident in your life in which one person or a group of people came together to change an unequal situation? क्या आप अपनी लाइफ का कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंस बता सकते हैं जिसमें कि एक पर्सन और ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल साथ में आए हैं किसी सिचुएशन को चेंज करने के लिए? So, adaptation of a song written as a part of Right to Inform to Information campaign by the Vinay Mahajan. The right to know. My dreams have the right to know why from centuries they have been breaking. Why don't they ever come true? My hands have the right to know why do they remain without work all along? Why do they have nothing to do? My feet have the right to know why from village to village they walk on their own. What are there no signs of a birth? Yet my hunger has the right to know why grain roads in the godowns. Why I don't ever get a fistful of rice? My old mother has a right to know why are there no medicines, needles, dispensaries or bandages? My children have the right to know? Why do they labor day and the night? Why is there no school on site? So what is your favorite line in the above song? इस song में आपकी favorite line कौन सी थी? What does the poet mean when the says my hunger has a right to know? मेरे भूख का कोई राइट तो होगा, मुझे जानने का पूरा अधिकार है कि मेरी भूख का क्या राज है. Can you share with your class a local song or a poem on dignity that is from your area? क्या आप अपनी क्लास में या अपने एरिया में कोई एक ऐसी पोएम या तो फिर कोई एक सॉन्ग शेयर करें जो कि डिग्निटी पर हो, जो कि आपके एरिया के डिग्निटी को शो करे. सो क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन अगेंस्ट इनइक्वालिटी के अगेंस्ट क्या क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन है. While some join protest movement to fight the inequality, others might use their pens or their voices or their ability to dance to draw the attention to issue of inequality. जब प्रोटेस्ट मूवमेंट हुआ था तो उनने इनइक्वालिटी के लिए लड़ाई की थी. कुछ लोगों ने पेन का यूज़ किया, कुछ ने अपनी आवाज़ उठाई, कुछ ने डांस किया और इन सारे इश्यूज से उन्होंने इन सारी चीज़ें करके उन्होंने इनइक्वालिटी के इशू पर अटेंशन दिया लोगों का. राइटर्स, सिंगर्स, डांसर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट हैव आल्सो बीन वेरी एक्टिव ऑन द फाइट अगेंस्ट इनइक्वालिटी. जो राइटर्स थे, सिंगर थे, लेखक थे, डांसर्स, आर्टिस्ट थे, ये सभी लोग बहुत एक्टिव थे. Often poems, songs and stories can also be inspire us and make us believe strongly in an issue and influence our efforts to correct the situation. जो सॉन्ग्स, पोएम्स और स्टोरीज उन्होंने बोली थी उससे हमको इंस्पिरेशन मिली थी, जिससे हमको बिलीव हो गया कि क्या एफर्ट्स करने चाहिए इन इशू को चेंज करने के लिए. The Indian Constitution as a living document, the foundation of all the movements for justice and the inspiration for all the poetry and songs on equality is the recognition that all the people are equal. जो इसका मूवमेंट है जस्टिस का, जो इंस्पिरेशन है पोइट्री और सॉन्ग्स इक्वलिटी पर, उससे हमको पता चलता है कि सभी लोग इक्वल हैं. As you know, the Indian Constitution recognize the equality of all the person. जैसे कि सभी को पता है कि जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उससे रिकॉग्नाइज किया कि ये इक्वलिटी सभी के लिए है, कि ऑल पीपल आर इक्वल अगेंस्ट द लॉ, इन फ्रंट ऑफ लॉ. Movements and struggle for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about the equality and justice for all. So बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स, बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल किए गए इक्वलिटी पाने के लिए, ताकि जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है इसमें इक्वलिटी सभी को मिले और सभी को जस्टिस मिले, सभी को न्याय मिले. The fish workers in the Tawa Mat Satsang hope that the provision of the Constitution will become a reality, that their participation in this movement by constantly referring to the Constitution they use a living document, such as something that has real meaning in our life. In a democracy, there are always communities and the individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and to push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as the new issue, चाहे वो पुराना इशू हो चाहे नया इशू हो. Issues of equality are the central to democracy. जो इक्वलिटी का इशू है वो हमारी डेमोक्रेसी का मेन इशू है. In this book, we have tried to highlight the issue that pose a challenge to idea of equality in a democracy. This, as you have read, include the privatization of the health service in the country, the increasing control that the business house exert on the media, the low value given to the women and the work, and the low earning made by the small farmers who grow the cotton. This is to substantially affect the poor and the marginalized communities, and therefore concern the economy and the social equality in the city. So what role does the constitution play in the people's struggle for equality? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस ने क्या रोल प्ले किया है जब इन लोगों ने इक्वलिटी के लिए स्ट्रगल किया? कैन यू मेक अप अ सोशल एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन इक्वलिटी? क्या आप एक सोशल एडवर्टाइजमेंट बना सकते हैं इक्वलिटी पर? यू कैन डू दिस इन ए स्मॉल ग्रुप, और जल्दी से एक पोस्टर और शॉर्ट नोट लिख कर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताएं. This is the core of the struggle for equality and democracy, the dignity and the self-respect of each person, that the community can also be released, that they have the accurate sources to support and mature their family, and if they are not discriminated against. तो उन्होंने जो स्ट्रगल किया इक्वलिटी पाने के लिए, तो उनका ये कहना था कि हमारी डिग्निटी और हमारी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट सभी की बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो पर्सन किसी भी रिलीजन से फॉलो करे, चाहे वो मेल हो या फीमेल हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, कि ऑल पर्सन्स आर इक्वल अगेंस्ट द लॉ. सो नो वन कैन पनिश और नो वन कैन से एनीथिंग टू देम as they belong to different communities, different caste, different religion or different sex, यानी मेल या फीमेल. सो उस टाइम पर मीडिया ने भी उनका बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया है, क्योंकि मीडिया की हेल्प से उन लोगों ने अपनी आवाज़ को उठाया और टीवी चैनल्स पर, न्यूज़पेपर पर ये सारी चीज़ें प्रिंट हुई. तो एडवर्टाइजिंग करने से उनका जो रोल था, उनको जो राइट मिलना था, वो शायद मिल गया होगा. वैसे भी हमारी कंट्री का एक इशू है, एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. सबसे पहले उनकी बात मानी जाती है जो रिच है, उनके पास ज़्यादा राइट्स है, जिनके पास ज़्यादा पावर्स है, एज कम्पेयर टू दोज पीपल हु आर पुअर, हु डू नॉट हैव एनी powers and resources. So here is a fake picture. Over 1,500 persons attended a public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against a woman. Over 15 cases of violence against a woman were heard by the jury of eminent women who played the role of judges. This play really helped to highlight the lack of support in the legal system for women who seek the justice in such cases. बच्चों, if you have any query related to any question of this chapter, then comment in comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.